another roleplay series in this brand new world we have. We're gonna be doing roleplays on this world several days. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video.
Okay, so today we have school. There's some put Mr.
Oh
Piggy.
shoot, I'm late.
Let me put Mr. Piggy outside.
Stuff.
Oops, I'm bumping into the walls. Let me break this
I forgot
door.
where I put my school supplies. What happened?
I forget where I put everything. There you go. Melanie, there's something in my backyard. We could go after school. We could check it out. But after school though, because I'm too lazy right now. Wait, now let me bring this to my thing. Boop. I don't need any of these. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I'm going to school.
There you go.
Oh wait, my school supplies! My school supplies! No! My school supplies. Am I going backwards or forwards? I don't even know. Okay. Yep, I'm going backwards. Okay. I forgot my school supplies. Ugh. Oh well. I locked myself outside and I don't feel like going from the back. Oh gosh, I'm getting big trouble.
Can we cook up some of my food?
I could just use the teacher stuff. So we have extras. Okay, so welcome to Nature Valley School. Because the town name is Nature Valley.
Hurry up!
Melanie? Wait, there's water here over here too. Where's all of this coming from?
What?
Honestly. Oh god, there's stuff.
Are you lying? Are you really lying?
Okay, we can go after school, cause you know, welcome to Nature Valley. More like that's gonna welcome us to Nature Valley. I think that's a portal or something, cause it says Nature Valley, and there's just like a bunch of water. There's towers surrounding it all.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, this is scary. Okay, well, wait, let me come across the street. Okay, no one's here. Okay, let me just go inside school and Haley, just relax. Just relax. Oh my god, I feel like this school is haunted. Look at, all the doors are open, all the lockers are open. Oh no, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
Melanie. Sis.
I'm going to school.
There's people crossing the street. Okay, it's safe to cross the street. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street again.
Oh my god.
For real, it's surrounding the whole Nature Valley, in fact. It's crazy.
The heck?
Where's my car? You took my car. Oops, sorry.
Ow.
Oops, sorry again.
I did not take your car.
Oh god, how am I gonna go home? How am I gonna
You could ride with me.
I don't have anything. My car though, it's gone.
Oh, I have an extra car in my locker.
Can I have it?
Here. Let me put it in your locker.
Thank you. Okay, so
You're welcome.
I could do that later.
You're lucky I had it.
Yeah, I have a writing paper. Maybe I could use that as a notebook today. And I have a
You don't have a notebook?
I have a book too. I just don't have a pencil because I left them all at home.
Me either. We have pencils.
You
over
left your
here.
locker door open, by the way. Okay, let's go to the bathroom for anything. No.
We have pencils in this chest. You can just grab a pencil.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. There's a pencil. Yeah, a pencil. Okay.
I'm in stall 1.
Okay, so
Do not
we'll
come
just
in
go
here.
into stall 2. I could kind of see what you're doing. Okay, I'm finished. Okay, let me go wash my hands. This is a small bathroom. They need to make it bigger, honestly. Okay, there. Okay, so we have math. Oh god, it's still raining. Okay, mine's is back seat. No, that's my.
Where the heck is the seats at?
Where's the things at? Oh wow.
I'm just gonna use your car.
Use my car?
Yeah, and then just take it back. 'Cause, like,
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I like sitting in the back. Cause you know the teacher's gonna call
wait,
you
it's
more
not.
if you sit in the front. Remember? Where's the teacher?
What's up? Can you see what I'm doing?
No.
Ah.
Okay, so yeah, no teachers are here today. Where's everybody? Why is everything so suspicious today?
Where's everyone? Oh my
Where's
God.
this girl named Russia?
Was there not school today?
I'm not sure. Oh, goodness.
This is gonna be hilarious if you have.
Oh, that wasn't your thing, bruh.
Wait, Hazley.
I put my minecart in there by mistake because I thought it was my thing.
I put it back in yours.
I'm so silly.
Okay, I'm off to home because I think there's no school today.
Yeah, me too. How do I do this? Okay, I'm gonna take my pickaxe. No, I'm gonna leave this one here and
No, the car.
this. Okay, I'm ready.
You're a bad car. You know that, right?
Okay, I'm ready to leave. What the heck? A sheep stole my other car. That's where my other car went. I owe you a car.
Oh my God.
I'm in the car with the sheep.
Oh God, the sheep died.
Yeah, I killed it. My cart! My cart! You keep that
This is my
cart.
car now.
Oh man.
It's okay, it's okay.
I don't want the car. I owe you a car, remember? Here.
Okay, this one's mine.
Okay. So bye, see you tomorrow. Oh wait, no. That thing. The thing in back of our house. Well, I guess they're gonna have to watch the next episode to find out what that thing is.
Hi guys, so this is how it looks like. We don't know how this came like this.
We didn't make this. So yeah, it's kinda weird.
It will take ages for us to make this,
Hmm.
so we did not make this. This just appeared out of nowhere.
Yeah. Basically. Ow! Ow! Mommy! I died.
What
I'm in lava. I did it by mistake, okay?
Are your stuff that you had burned in the lava?
It did not. You're joking.
It did.
It didn't.
What did you go in the lava for?
I don't even know how, to be honest. Do you have it, my stuff?
I'm killing.
Do you have my stuff?
I'm not. No, Mr. Pickles, no. No.
Mr. Biggie! Mr. Biggie, be careful!
Stop! No.
Okay, so it's raining. He doesn't like the rain. Come on, Mr. Piggy.
Oh no!
What?
Look!
What?
On your house!
Ah, come on, Mr. Piggy! Come on! No! What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, so basically that's the
Ow.
there, so I made it wrong.
Stop hitting me!
Okay. Oh my god, that's a sponge, Melanie. There's babies everywhere.
Creepers! No creepers!